Ona gutuika governors ni makoretwo na ngucanio ni undu wa maundu matiganite na senators, ngucanio gatagati ka governor wa Nairobi Evans Kidero na senator wake Mike Sonko niwe acungireirie itua ria ma governors kuuga ati matiriikinyagia mbere ya kamiti cia Senate. Kanju ya governors eroiga senators nimaranyarira governors tondu aingĩ ni marenda tuturwa tuu na marahuthira kamiti ciao kuhura governors kiuteti.
Attempt by the Senate to use the Public Account Committee as a political tool to gain political mileage. The High Court ruled that the Senate must exhaust the process of summoning other county workers to explain to matters. Governors should appear there as a last resort.
Riu governors metereire macokio kuma kuri speaker wa Senate Ekwe Ethuro uria ureketie kwamukira marua kuma kuri ateti acio aria magire na nditimurano mucemanio-ini.
The treatment that Governor Kidero was met to when he appeared before the Senate, tantamount to even assault on his person. We take that manner of treatment with great exception, and therefore we are suspending the appearance of governors before the Senate until we are assured by the leadership of the Senate that any governor who appears there will be treated with respect.
Ningi kanju iyo ni yugite ni guthie igoti-ini ikiende tarĩrio kana thirikari cia county nicio cire na hinya wa gutua mitaratara ya uthii wa na mbere iria yagireirwo ni kurugamirirwo ni mbeca cia kurehe uiganania.
The issue of accounts expenditure is the mandate of the county assemblies to look at expenditure and accounts. That is the work of the county assemblies. And this is the work that the Senate has been trying to use up from the county assemblies. Whereas they have an oversight of general oversight when it comes to expenditure.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV retwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiko.